because we stood up this website with over 50,000 SKUs and had it going, I thought, this is great. We've got all these parts and pieces we're going to sell, but until we could get to a situation where we were able to digitally represent that value proposition of assembly in the marketplace, I knew we really hadn't transformed. We hadn't really been able to provide the meat of what we do beyond parts and pieces. And so the platform that Unilog helped us establish created a launch pad for us to go out and develop a purpose-built tool for our industry, where we can not only guide a customer through that process, but we can actually produce a safe assembly and add it to the cart, priced, and the customer can check out. So we've really replaced with a digital tool that value-added conversation that would have had to happen at a sales counter or over the phone. We still want those interactions, right? All the technology that we're investing in and building is built to serve people, not the other way around. And so we're always going to want that personal connection. But this gives a customer the ability to self-serve. It's industry changing, I think. Really gives us the ability to go above and beyond just a website that sells parts and pieces.